that is because I felt very deeply that since I've been embarking on my own self-development journey, vulnerability is not, it can come easy for me, but I want to know how is it like actually for, for the other person. Yeah. So to be able to understand it in a more objective perspective. And the picture just means that the spotlight can come on anywhere and anytime at any angle, which can show us anything that we may not know. That's all I think. Thank you.
So, first of all, thank you very much. It was a lot of courage to stand up and say something. As a matter of fact, the spotlight is about you. Every one of you that stood up, you were here. So first of all, it's about us. So I'd like for you to feel courage. And the different interpretations, and all of them correct. So what I'd like to focus on for today is more, this is you, right here. And it's not what's going on in your head. When you're right here, spotlights, and maybe with audience, what's going on? And this is what we're going to explore. Okay? So as you notice, this is not a teaching session. I don't share information with you because all the knowledge is here. So what I do is I do facilitate, meaning that I have you participate, and hopefully the awareness, the experience also come from you, not from me. So I'm going to ask a lot of questions. You're going to be involved in a lot of work, okay? And it's really through experience that hopefully that you gain something for yourself. So here, this is about us. Once we have a better understanding of ourselves, our own fears, then when we coach with others, we know where they're coming from. Maybe it'll give you a different lens. So that's what it's about. So the agenda today, what is vulnerability? As a matter of fact, all of you have defined it, so I don't need to spend a lot of time. There are some myths though. So for example, vulnerability is weak. So we're going to explore the myths, the four of them. And more importantly, at the end of it, okay, what does it mean for you as a coach? Okay, so since most of us are coaches, but if you're not a coach, what does it mean for you as a person? First and foremost, we are human, we all have feelings, whether we show them or not. And when you take the light away, when you look at yourself, we do have a lot of feelings going on. But more importantly, as a coach, what does it mean? As a coach, when you look at your coaching from the lens of vulnerability. So this is, and all of you are very experienced coaches. So when a coachee says, I don't like to delegate, I'm afraid, or whatever that is, this is really at the brain level. What's driving is here. And vulnerability is one bridge for you to look at. What is the driver of the behavior? So hopefully we'll get into that. And then vulnerability and leadership. So the reason I put leadership is because most of us are business coaches. So when we coach leaders, what are we looking at them? And then, yes, I'm not being sexist, but there is a difference. Vulnerability between sexes. Okay. Now we're going to go into that. Well, I hope you take away, have a better understanding of vulnerability, understand the myths, and integrate this into your coaching, into your everyday life, and into your relationship, and more importantly for you as a person. Okay, that's what I hope. So be a more authentic coach and person. So a few ground rules. Because we're talking about vulnerability and we'll be doing group work, we may share something that's kind of personal. And it's up to you. But however, I like to make sure that it's confidential, so we feel more freer to share. Then you don't take it outside the room. So, and it's, that's sacrosanct in coaching. But as well in this workshop, especially with respect to this topic. So So what is said in the room stays in the room. Honor diverse viewpoints. You know, different people look at the picture, come with different pictures. Okay, you may or may not agree, but that's fine. They're different perceptions. Be present, participate. And for those of you fulfilling your hours, you fall asleep, I will wake you up. So I can't read your mind. If you have any questions, ask. I may not have the answer, but ask, because other people may have the same questions, and other people may have the answers. And please silence your phone. We're going to take a break soon. Okay, so in the meantime, silence your phone. But more importantly, have fun. You know, feedback to me is that I look really serious. I am a serious guy. And trust me, when I do workshop, and they say, you're too serious. Well, that's who I am. However, I'm actually a fun guy. So I try to change that. Smile.
Really?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
when I'm really in the zone, so to speak, okay, I look really serious. So don't mind that. I'm actually a fun guy. So have fun. So you have my history. The only thing I pointed out is that I came from the line, you know, I was CEO of the bank. And in terms of vulnerability, I want to share this. You know, I was CEO of Gulf Bank in Kuwait. This was during the second time U.S. invaded Iraq. And all the expats left, you know, most of the expats left. And I decided to stay because I was CEO. And they will practice sirens because Iraq, you know, will attack Kuwait once, and U.S. was using Kuwait as a staging ground. And the concern is that if they attack with missiles, you don't know whether they're biological or chemical. Because at that time, you know, weapons of mass destruction. So we all have masks. You know, they're supposed to detect, you know, keep the biological or chemical. So when the sirens came, that's fine, you practice. But when it actually happened, the day it actually happened, the U.S. invaded Iraq. Iraq sent the first missile over. The siren went off, we knew it was for real. So we all heard it. We, you know, some of us in the bank heard it in the basement parking. And then some of the women started crying. And I'm sitting there, I said, why am I here? You know, and that was the moment. Because logically I'm there because I'm the CEO, you know, I had to stay, you know, so on and so forth as a model. But in my heart, I said, why am I here? And that is being one. I stay young. So that's the only part I want to share with you. I'm also a coach, and I certify coaches. So let's start. First exercise, although we did have one when you need this. This will be fun. This will be fun. You all have a phone that can take a selfie?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Great. So what I want you to do is take a selfie of yourself, organize yourself in groups of four.
Groups of four.
And then I tell you what to do.
Okay.
Take a selfie.
So just take a selfie. Just organize in groups